Hi everyone, welcome to sketching. Today I'm just doing a quick little sketch of a concept car. I just had a little bit of time to do a quick sketch, and I guess this is the result of my 30-day sketch challenge, where now I'm just motivated to sketch something every single day. But yeah, if you haven't tried my 30-day sketch challenge, and please do give that a go. Have a look at my videos that I've been posting over the last 30 days. I think I'll arrange them in a playlist for you to have a look at. It's just to warm up and get kind of like back into art. So today all I did was I was just messing around, having a quick little scribble with the 6B pencil. So I basically drew this concept car using the 6B pencil, and I love drawing cars. Cars is one of my kind of like favourite topics to draw, and I really like my old school American cars from the 70s, 60s, 70s and 80s. You'll see a lot of resemblance in this kind of concept car that was just in my head of the old school Dodge Chargers, and maybe a little bit of a Corvette, or even my Italian favourites like Lamborghini. You'll get that type of styling in a lot of the concept stuff that I come up with. So it was just using the tilt function on the Apple Pencil. The 6B pencil works really good, and I like to use dark colours and heavy kind of texture with a lot of my drawings, especially when I'm just coming up with concept stuff like this. Obviously this isn't a finished drawing or a finished painting or anything like that. It's just just a bit of fun, and just kind of getting back into the habit of drawing every day. So again, I'm going to say this again, just please give the sketching challenge, the 30-day sketching challenge, a go, especially if you want to get back into art, because I think it's just so good. You get so used to drawing every day for that 20-30 minutes or whatever it is, that you just can't not draw, if you know what I mean. So like today I was just sat down, and the kids had some of their friends over, and it was just literally just sat there on the couch, and I thought, you know what, I need to do my sketch today. It's become such a good habit that you just kind of constantly keep drawing. So I did this whole thing with the 6B pencil. I tend to like to, as at the beginning of the video, I had a rectangle drawn, so, to keep a bit of the perspective going. Didn't want to do too much detail on this, just wanted to get something down, and I'll probably end up using this in one of my main bigger paintings that I do in the next coming weeks. So again, all I'm doing is just cleaning the edges up, just making decisions of how I want the overall look of this car to be. And I think at the end, the only other tool that I use in Procreate is, because this is done on Procreate on the iPad Pro, is one of the chalk brushes in the pencil set again, in iPad Pro on Procreate, just to kind of cover up the background in nice kind of like chalky effect, and it's just so easy to do. This one, I think I only spent about 20 minutes on this sketch, this little scribbly sketch. It was only a 20-minute job. I didn't do a screen recording of it because it wasn't really my intention to actually complete it, but once I got into it, I just had to, do a half decent attempt at it, and I thought, it would be an interesting, little drawing to put on the channel. Again, getting back into art is really important if that's what you kind of, if you want to start doing bigger pieces of artwork and you're struggling. And the best way, hands down for me, the best way is to start practicing on smaller things, and that's what that 30-day challenge is all about. It's practicing on small objects, quickly getting colour down, a bit of composition down, and then just constantly doing that for 30 days, and then you can move on to bigger things where your skill improves. So all I'm doing here is I'm just adding in the bamboo, I think it's called the bamboo chalk, one of the brushes, and literally just laid it all out, started off light, then went in pretty dark, and then with the pencil again, with the 6B pencil, I just kind of added in some details on that light grill that I've got, and then again with the bamboo chalk, I just went in with red to kind of give it a bit of an effect that, there's light coming from that forward grill, and then I just darkened the back to kind of bring the the attention more towards the light for the viewer, using that same bamboo chalk. And that was it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to the channel for more content. There will be tutorials, lessons, traditional art, all sorts coming on this channel, so do stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for your time, your help and your support. Take care of yourself, and peace.